Hey guys, I got asked a simple question: how to make a bonnet. This is leftover fabric, and if you guys can see, I got it folded in in a square, and I got a circle traced out. And now what I'm going to do is just simply cut out this circle. And after I cut out this circle, guys, you take the circle to the sewing machine, and what you do is you sew a thin trim going all the way around where you can fold it over, and that is going to be where you will do the elastic. So after you do this, you should have a circle. Your bonnet, you should have a circle. So now you just take it to the sewing machine. Let me prop you up and take it to the sewing machine. And I'm not going to make this video real long, guys. Just kind of giving you an idea. You take it to the sewing machine and you fold a edge. And with this edge, you just making it where you'll be able to thread elastic through. So if you guys can see, I'm just folding and even going in a circle. Just folding it around. And then this will be where you're going to thread your elastic through. So you just keep going around, keep going around, keep going around. And depending on how wide you want it. Now, the longer the hair, the bigger you make the bonnet. If you got shorter hair, you can smaller to make the bonnet. But if you want to be able to have your flexi rods and stuff and be able to wear your bonnet, and you guys can make your own bonnets at home. You get the thin elastic from the fabric store. I'm trying to make this simple as possible. It's not hard at all, guys. So you're just going to keep going around in this circle. And then we're going to leave a little opening where we're going to insert the elastic, guys. But this, yeah, to make a bonnet, it's so simple. You pick out the fabric you want, so you can go get some really cool fabric from the fabric store. And you can make your bonnet, okay? I'm almost around. And once you get to the end, you leave a little bit of a gap open so that you can thread the elastic in. So this will be real simple when you make a bonnet. So you just keep going around and almost around. And when I get right here to the end, I'm going to stop right there. Okay. Open up. You leave this little opening right here where you could thread the elastic through. So then you get your elastic. How long you want your elastic to be. You get your safety pin. And you're just going to thread it through. And you made a bonnet. So I take the elastic. Put it on a safety pin. Take the elastic. Put it on the safety pin. Boom. And through that little slit that's open, and you're going to thread this all the way through. And is that simple, guys. And that's how you would make a bonnet for your hair. And I'm going to stop the video because it's going to run out of time. It takes long to load, break these videos down, take hours. But if you guys see, I'm just threading it around. And then you make it as tight as you want it. You know, as tight as you want your bonnet. But you just keep threading this around, threading it around. And that's going to be how you would make a bonnet, guys. Alrighty, bye-bye.